The price in which you introduce your home to the marketplace may very well be the most important decision you have to make. Experts agree that the closer your list price is to your home's actual market value, the higher it will sell for, not to mention, it will make your home's selling experience much faster. The reason it will sell for a higher value is because, as I mentioned earlier, buyers today are very information savvy. They'll recognize right away whether your home is priced right. If it is, not only will they move faster on making an offer, you may even be lucky enough to experience a multiple offer situation where buyers are outbidding each other on your home. That's when you see a home sale price is actually higher than its list price. So leaving money on the table in today's market is almost impossible given the massive amount of exposure our marketing system puts your home through. When we get together, I'll review with you what's known as a comparative market analysis. It's a CMA for short. The CMA is made up of two parts. Part 1 is active listings. Those are the listings your home will be competing with in the marketplace. Part 2 is the sold listings. These are homes that are similar to yours that have recently sold. This will give you an idea of what homes like yours have actually been selling for. The purpose of the comparative market analysis is to determine the value of your home in the eyes of today's buyer. Buyers determine value by comparison shopping. They look at the price of your home based on its features and benefits, and then they compare it to the features and benefits of similar homes that have recently sold or that are currently on the market. So, just as an example, if you were purchasing a car and one dealership had a car for $30,000 and another dealership had the exact same car for $30,000, but it had a nav system and a sunroof, obviously the second dealership was offering more value. But if the first dealership put the price of their car on at $20,000, with everything else being equal, this would obviously make the first car a better value. So, as you can see, in order to increase the value, you either need to consider a lower price or offer more features and benefits for the same price. So, unless you're planning on adding more features and benefits to your home, price is the only issue. We'll be able to determine that when we meet and review the comparative market analysis together. Pricing a home in today's market is often accompanied by many misconceptions. Let's go over a few of them. Perhaps the biggest mistake we see people make is trying a higher price and leaving room for negotiation. On the surface, that seems logical, but there are several problems that this can create for you. As I mentioned before, today's buyer is information savvy, so they won't even bother looking at your home because it's priced too high. In fact, you're actually better off trying a lower price, which could create a bidding war and have your home sell for a higher price than even you expected. Some sellers feel that because they've maintained their home, painted it regularly, fixed things, or replaced them when they've broken down, that their home is actually worth more. This is not the case. What that simply means is if you've brought your home up to selling standard. Buyers today have a certain expectation that your home should be well kept. Let's face it, new homes have all that and more. Of course, one of the toughest things I see people have a hard time getting their head around is the home's additional features and benefits that their home may contain. And although there are features and benefits that do enhance the value of a property, there are others such as swimming pools or metal or clay tile roofs or something similar that very often has no effect on its value at all. In fact, it may even make your home worth less because a buyer may like everything about your home, but they plan to get rid of your so called feature as soon as they move in. I can't overemphasize enough the importance of pricing your home correctly, and please be careful of agents that tell you they can get you a higher price without backing up their statement with factual information. Oftentimes, their motives is to simply get you to list with them, then to start beating you up on price reductions week after week, which doesn't make the home selling experience stress free at all. Remember, our objective is to sell your home quickly, stress free, and for the most money possible in today's market. I'll see you in the next video.